Guys, here we have a question from effect of temperature on rate of a reaction. Look at here, for a certain reaction, the rate triples for every 10 degrees rise in temperature. By what factor will the rate increases when the temperature is raised from 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius? So look at here, it is very simple. We can give some common approach here, 10 degrees to 20 and 20 to 30. Like this, if you take, see, for every 10 degrees rise, they are saying rate triples. If I say this is R1, by 10 degrees Celsius from here to here, it becomes 3R1. Again 10 degrees means 3 is a 9R1 here. Again 10 degrees means 27R1 right now. So R2 equals to 27R1. Okay, it means rate at 50 degrees Celsius, that is R2 equals to 27 times of rate at 20 degrees Celsius, that is R1. That's it. This will be your answer. Okay, 27 times. Or you can use some other approach here. See, the rate R2 by R1 equals to mu, temperature coefficient here they mention now, so that to the power change in temperature by 10, because difference for every 10 degrees now this mu changes. Yes, so what is mu here they given? So temperature coefficient 3 and difference is how much? 50 minus 20, that is 30 by 10. Okay, so 3 power 3, so 3 power 3 means 27. So R2 will be equals to 27 times R1. So both are the proper approaches only. So whatever the convenient way you have, so you can follow that and just give a try for solving this question. So where I have given it as mu equals to 2. Okay, so I want answer for this question in the comment box. Thank you for watching.